Yes, hi guys. Here we have our academy, and we're gonna do like a really cool trick. Maybe you guys heard the trick Armonte, or maybe the ancient trick with the cups and the bowl.
Yeah.
It's one of the oldest tricks in the world. So we're gonna do something similar, but with cards. So first we're gonna take for example, the ace, a six, and maybe maybe a queen. Oh, maybe a red guy. This guy. So we have three cards. I'm gonna give you guys. Can we do it with you?
Yes.
Your name was?
Charlie.
Charlie. So Charlie and
Louis.
Charlie and Louis. Charlie. So Charlie, I need you in just 1 second. I'm gonna ask you to choose one of the cards, and with the other two, you're gonna change the positions, and then you're gonna turn everything face down. Okay? Perfect. So whatever you want. So you take one of the cards and you change the other two. I'm gonna turn my back, so I'm not gonna know which card you choose. Okay? So I'm gonna turn my back. So in this case, I'm not gonna listen to anything. So just choose one and you change the other two. Yeah. Perfect. Done.
Yeah.
So at this moment, you just pick one of the cards and you change the other two. Right? So I think it was maybe it was like right. Maybe it was like. Maybe we'll do it one more time. Maybe it won't matter. A bit of luck. So I need you one more time. You're gonna take one of the two and you're gonna change. Okay? So I'm gonna need you to do the same. There you go. So in this case, you choose one. And you change the other two. You ready?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. So now at this time, you choose one of the cards. Let's see, something.
Yeah.
I don't know. Two out of three. Maybe we'll do last. This time will be. So now, maybe you can do it. Sure, you can do it. So I'm gonna turn my back. So we're gonna do the same. So I'm gonna choose one of the cards and you're gonna change the cards. Okay, perfect.
Yep.
There you go. So now let's see. Let's have a look. Ooh. Cool guys. Did you like the trick?
Yeah, it's great.
Cool guys. Thank you guys. See you guys later.